The next flow adjustable spot cooler is a packaged vortex tube complete with a magnetic stand to be utilized mostly in laboratory applications where the cold end temperature needs to be adjusted for various testing. It is not generally used in production, as in production usually a set temperature is required, and to avoid accidental adjustability by personnel, a fixed version can be produced, which is much more applicable to a manufacturing application. However, when testing certain items, this adjustability may be a prerequisite. As a result, the adjustable spot cooler fills this particular need. The hot end has an adjustable knob, which can be very easily used to adjust the temperature at the cold end. It can vary from minus 15 degrees Celsius up to the temperature of the compressed air that goes into the adjustable spot cooler.